Okay, so I'm recording now. So the solution here is not to send file type. So do not send the actual file like this one. So before I'm sending the actual file. So I'm using here alter GraphQL client, and then on this mutation here, so we have a parameter of type upload, and I can choose what uh, file I would like to upload, and then this is update avatar for user. So this is the user ID, and this is the actual image which is coming from the parameters here. So this type upload is the actual file, but when you go to your code, you cannot do that. So you cannot send actual file uh, to the GraphQL endpoint. So what I did is you need to convert the file to base 64. So I just grabbed this from Stack Overflow. So this piece of code here converts the file, which yeah, you can see the codes I have tried before. So this file here comes from the UI here. So if I click this one, oh shoot, if I click that, then yeah, open, then it would send requests to the back end. Let's just wait a little bit. Yeah. So as you can see here, the payload is the base 64 value of the image. So if you look back at the code, so this is it. So when the file is selected, so it is converted to a base 64 string. This is the value, and then I just console log it in the browser here. So this is the actual base 64 string, and then next is this is the actual request, which is the same here. And now in the back end, this will not be the type upload. So because the back end now it's going to be type string. So okay, where is it? I think it's here. Yeah. So yeah, as you can see here, it is now string because before it is upload and it's not working. So that's why here file base 64 is string, and then also to send object to a GraphQL endpoint, you need to stringify it. So now, yeah, it's sent. So what we do in the back end is my resolver here, the update avatar.php. It is receiving the image, args image. This is the what we have sent here, and then based on the parameter name, it's image. So I hope you understand. So this is the base 64 string, and then what we did here is just remove the uh, if you can see there's a data colon image. This is the code there was just removing this and then retaining what's left. So that is what it's doing here, and then yeah, it's cleaning the string, and then also yeah, continuing cleaning the string, and then this is the image name which will be used when you upload this to S3, and then The cleaned image 64 base 64 string is sent here to be decoded. So what you are sending to S3 is the decoded value of the base 64 string. So meaning without this value here. So because if you don't remove this, then when you decode it, it will produce an error. So yeah, that's just what's been going on right here. So this one is the clean value, and then we just decode it and it becomes a file, and then we put it in S3, and then the image name in S3 is inside this folder avatars, and then in order to save the full path of the image, so we get this URL, the URL of the uploaded image. Not this one because this one will just return one and it's not the image. So because if the S3 put is successful, this will return one, and then this if we use this, then you're just basically using one as the URL of the image. So you need to use this one. So yeah, and then after that, yeah, the rest is just updating the user avatar here. So if we try, I think we tried it earlier. So the reply was, as you can see, the reply. So this is the actual URL here, avatars JPEG. And if I refresh this, it's a little bit slow because it's in Docker. So here, so it works, and that's it.